Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 12th August 2024, Nifty index opened positive and witnessed range-bound move throughout the day. It moved in a choppy manner with absence of follow-up. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on daily frame and saw a tug-of-war between the bulls and bears. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the weekly frame with a longer lower shadow, which indicates that there was support-based buying intact. Now, India VIX was down by around 7.6% to 15.3. Volatility has been cooling off from the last 4 sessions and comforting the bulls for support-based buying. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,900 to 24,900, while immediate range is in between 24,100 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 407 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,980 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased slightly to 52%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to hold above 24,300 for an up move towards 24,500, then 24,650. While supports are placed at 24,250, then 24,100. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 50,250 for a bounce towards 50,750, then 51,000 levels. While on the downside, support can be seen at 50,250, then 50,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, recovery was seen in most of the sectors, barring a few FMCG names. Now, Nifty requires a decisive hold above 24,350 for further upside. Stock-specific action could continue to see strength. So stocks to keep on radar are, from the fertilizer space, we have Coromandel and Chambal Fertilizers looking quite positive. From the auto space, we have Ashok Leyland, TVS Motor and Bajaj Auto. From the pharma space, we have Alkem and Looping, which is quite promising. Last but not the least, we have Sun TV, which is looking quite positive. Some weakness could be seen in Ambuja Cement, SAIL and Apollo Tyres. Wish you a super trading day and a lovely week ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.